I healed myself. I disappeared, and I came back stronger than ever. There comes a moment in life when silence is louder than noise. A moment when stepping back isn't weakness, it's a survival. I had to disappear, not because I quit, not because I gave up, but because I needed to rebuild. I walked away from the crowd. I walked away from the opinions. I walked away from the weight of expectations. And in that silence, I found something I never knew I had myself. Healing is not glamorous. It's nights of tears that nobody sees. It's battles fought in the dark with no applause. But when you fight through it, when you sit in that fire and refuse to be broken, you come back forged like steel. When I reappeared, I wasn't the same. I was stronger. I was sharper. I was unshakable. Because sometimes you've got to disappear to remember who you are. Sometimes you've got to be broken to discover how powerful you can become when you rise. So if you're in the shadows right now, don't be ashamed. That's your training ground. That's where warriors are built. And when you step back into the light, the world won't recognize you. Because you'll be walking in your power, your strength, your truth. I healed myself. I disappeared. I came back stronger than ever. And so can you. Silence is powerful. Stepping back doesn't mean giving up. It means recharging. It means pulling your energy back from the noise of the world. It means protecting your mind, your spirit, your focus. Sometimes the loudest strength is found in quiet spaces. When you step away, you give yourself room to breathe, room to heal, room to grow. It's not retreat, it's strategy. It's not weakness, it's preparation. Because in silence, you rediscover your voice. In silence, you find your strength. And when the time is right, you return. Not empty, but renewed, stronger than before. Healing takes courage. It's not glamorous. It's not the highlight reel the world celebrates. It's messy, it's painful, it's facing the wounds you tried to ignore. It's choosing to sit with the hurt until it loses its power. Healing asks for patience. It asks for discipline. It asks for honesty with yourself. Most people run from it because it's not easy. But courage is not the absence of fear. It's walking through the fire even when you're trembling. It's in every step of healing, no matter how small, is proof of your strength. Proof that you're still standing. Disappearing is not quitting. It's preparation for a stronger return. Sometimes you have to step away from the noise. Step away from the opinions. Step away from the weight of expectations. It doesn't mean you've surrendered. It means you're sharpening your edge in silence. It means you're rebuilding the parts of yourself that were tired, broken, or lost. Quitting leaves you empty. Disappearing fills you with strength. It gives you time to realign, to refocus, to remember why you started. And when you come back, you don't come back the same. You come back unstoppable. Alone time builds clarity. Solitude helps rediscover identity and purpose. When you step away from the crowd, you begin to hear your own voice again. The noise of the world fades, and the whispers of your soul grow louder. It's in those quiet hours that truth begins to surface. You start to see who you are without the masks. You start to remember what truly matters. Alone time is not loneliness. It is alignment. It's the space where your vision sharpens, where distractions disappear, and where purpose becomes undeniable. Solitude is where you find yourself again. Struggles in the dark create strength. Unseen battles produce resilience. It's the nights nobody knows about. The tears shed in silence. The doubts that keep you awake when the world is asleep. Those are the moments that shape you. Because every battle fought in the shadows builds an armor no one can see. It teaches you endurance. It teaches you patience. It teaches you to rise without applause. Strength isn't built in the spotlight. It's built in the quiet places, in the hidden fights, in the pain endured alone. And that unseen struggle makes you unbreakable. Pain is a teacher. Hardship refines character like fire strengthens steel. It strips away illusions, shows you what you're really made of. Pain doesn't come to destroy you, it comes to shape you. Every trial leaves behind wisdom. Every scar carries a lesson. It teaches patience when life feels unbearable. It teaches strength when giving up feels easier. It teaches gratitude when the storm finally passes. Pain is not the enemy. It is the mentor that prepares you for the battles ahead. Those who endure it come out stronger, sharper, and unshakable. Rebirth after healing is powerful. Coming back transformed shocks the world. Because the person who walks out of the fire is not the same one who walked in. Healing strips you down. It rebuilds you with stronger bones, a clearer mind, and a deeper heart. When you rise again, you carry wisdom no one can take. You carry scars that remind you of battles survived. People may not recognize you because you've grown beyond who you once were. Rebirth is a declaration. It says, I was broken, but I am whole again. And that transformation is unstoppable. The shadows are a training ground. Your lowest points prepare you for greatness. It's in the darkness where your strength is tested, where your patience is stretched, where your faith is challenged. The shadows teach you discipline when no one is watching. They teach you to keep moving when progress feels invisible. They teach you to believe in yourself when the world doubts you. Greatness is never born in comfort. It's born in struggle, in setbacks, in lonely hours. The shadows are not punishment. They are preparation. And those who endure them emerge unstoppable, ready for the light. Strength comes from self-mastery. When you heal yourself, you control your future. Because true power is not about controlling others. It's about mastering your own mind, your own emotions, your own choices. Healing yourself means breaking free from the chains of the past. It means refusing to let pain dictate your direction. Self-mastery gives you discipline when distractions call. It gives you clarity when confusion surrounds you. It gives you peace when chaos tries to shake you. When you conquer yourself, no obstacle can conquer you. And that control opens the door to destiny. Anyone can rise again. Your comeback can be stronger than your setback. No failure is final unless you choose to stay down. No mistake defines you unless you stop moving forward. Life will knock you down, but it will also give you the chance to rise. Every setback carries the seed of a greater return. Every fall teaches you how to stand taller. Your story is not over when you break. It begins again when you rebuild. The power to rise is already inside you. And when you choose to rise, nothing can hold you back. So remember this. You're not defined by your failures. You're not defined by your scars. You are defined by your decision to rise, to rebuild, to return stronger than before. Disappearing was never the end. It was the preparation. Healing was never weakness. It was the foundation.